Hello, it's Ariana from EATogether, and today we are making super simple, super refreshing Moroccan carrot salad. So for the ingredients, we're going to be using 4 to 5 carrots, cilantro, I have the leaves and the stems picked here, 1/4 of a red onion, pecans, salt, I use sea salt, raisins, and this is cinnamon, ginger, paprika, and cloves. Then we have extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar. So first you're going to toast the pecans. We're going to just put them on a lined baking sheet and we're going to toast them for 15 to 20 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to quickly pickle the onion. So I'm just going to slice it thinly. First I'm going to take off the core here and any little pieces of skin. So I'm just going to separate it. I'm just going to slice it really thinly. Just like that. Then I'm going to put it in the bowl, or a small bowl, any container. And then I'm going to grab a few pinches of salt. This is just to take the water out of it, and I'm going to massage it with my hands. So it starts releasing that liquid. And then I'm going to add the red wine vinegar, about a tablespoon. And massage it again. And then we're just going to leave that, and then by the time we get back to it, it'll have released all its water. We're going to peel the carrots before we grate them. Alright, so cilantro stems, don't throw these away, they have a lot of flavor. You can chop them up really small. They add a nice crunch. Alright, just add them to the salad. So the pan is hot. I'm just going to lightly fry the raisins. Put some olive oil in the pan first. Then I'm going to add the raisins. Mix them around. Just wait for them to kind of get fragrant and they'll start to puff up a little bit. So you can hear the sizzling, and then if you look closely, you can start to see how they get a little bit golden, and then they start to puff up a little bit. See that? So at this point, we're just going to add the spices. This way they can get a little toasted too. Just mix them around. It'll be super fragrant too. It's a beautiful smell. And then we're just going to add this to our salad. Okay, now we put everything together. So we have our onions. See how much liquid came out of those? So we're just going to add them to the salad. You can add the liquid too. Red wine vinegar, it's good stuff. Then the raisins. And then I'm going to add some of the cilantro leaves. We're going to add the rest on top. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt and olive oil, and then we're going to season to taste. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of the pecans. I'm going to crush them and just add them into the mix, and the rest we're going to put on top. So it's nice to have some whole too, because it gives it a nice look. Just mix it one more time and then we're gonna plate. This is so colorful too. It's really nice as a side, or if you want it for 2 people as a nice lunch, you can even do that. I'm just gonna crush a few more pecans on top. Just like that. I can even add some whole, just to make it look nice. And then I have some extra cilantro. Just gonna garnish with that. And there you have it. So you see how simple that was? Literally fewer than 7 ingredients. And it's a beautiful salad, super refreshing, super healthy. You can make it and take it to the picnic, to the park, to the beach, wherever you're going. It's super beautiful. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. I hope you make it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.